Before laying out the goals for any new year, it's probably best to look back at the year before and see how many of your goals you actually already achieved. So in this video, we're going to go through what Slant 3D got done in 2023. So 2023 is really kind of defined as the year of software for Slant 3D. We were building out and modifying a lot of the stuff and a lot of the infrastructure that we had intended to for a very long time. The very first piece of this was actually the Slant 3D website. It went through a full and complete rebuild and redesign, both giving better information to our clients and offering better interactivity and growth into the future. It also just kind of pulled the website up into a more modern design from the previous one that we had had for the prior 3 to 4 years of the company's existence. The next big improvement that occurred early in 2023 was the deployment of our version 15 3D printer. This printer was designed to be way more robust, way more simple, and able to adapt to the automation necessities that we need into the future. And we'll talk about those more, but it was very useful to have the robot around when we now had the V15s around. One of the projects that truly surprised even us was this YouTube channel. At the beginning of the year, we set a goal for ourselves of 25,000 subscribers on the channel by December of 2023. But as of checking right now, we're well over 60,000, and we have to thank all of you guys for that. This channel was meant to be a resource both for clients and for people figuring out how to use mass production 3D printing, and we didn't really think that it'd have this much of a market for that type of content. So thank you all for watching, and we hope to continue to grow just as quickly into 2024. Unplanned for the year of 2023 was Tangled Filament, somewhat an impromptu project that came up as a response from a video on this channel. We decided to start scraping off some of our filament production that we use inside of our print farms and selling it off because we were in an interesting position where we could produce it much more affordably than filament had ever been made before. And this has led us down a rabbit hole of really attempting to drive the cost of filament down to less than $10 per kilogram. It's something that we think we will actually end up achieving in 2024, but we took a big hit at it in 2023, setting up the website, setting up the factory and extrusion line, and setting up the process until we eventually finally got vacuum seals to stick after shipping across the country. As I said, 2023 was the year of software for Slant 3D. We pushed on a lot of it, and one of the core pieces of tech that we developed was the Slant 3D API that went into beta in the fall of 2023. It is currently operating our Etsy app and print-on-demand app, which we'll talk about in a moment, but it has been performing flawlessly and has allowed us to do something that no one has ever been able to do as quickly or as efficiently as the API was able to. Able to analyze and price files super quickly and ensure that external apps are now able to implement with our large print farms. While it only reached beta and has not been publicly released yet, it will be coming out very soon. And in order to verify that API, we built a number of public apps a couple of times. And the first one of this was a print-on-demand app that allowed anyone to upload a file, put in their address, and buy the part right then and there. We actually created 2 versions of this in the fall of 2023, iterating through it very quickly and using both the version 1 and version 2 of the API itself in order to run those apps. It gave us a ton of learning about the applications at scale and the types of issues that we would have as we continue to grow these products. And finally, we took the first step in really making 3D printing useful to e-commerce by releasing our Etsy integration, which allowed Etsy stores to connect to Slant 3D print farms so that they're able to scale up and address large amounts of demand without having to build tons of printers and operate a small print farm themselves. They're able to rely on the manufacturing capabilities that we have built so that they can focus on customer support and product design. This is a huge benefit to many of the people creating 3D printed products out there, and it's something that we are going to be doubling down on in the new year with a bunch of new products on it as well, because this is an area where 3D printing can truly help. Because when you can have a store with infinite selection but zero inventory and a warehouse where the shelves make the product, some really interesting things can happen. But that was our year at Slant 3D. We got a lot done, and we expect to do a lot more in 2024. Please subscribe and stay tuned where we'll let you in on what's coming down in this next year. Have a great day, everybody.